navigating through the streets of nail polish town. Trendy nail art. These yellow nails are missing something, like a stylish design. Take black polish and a piece of tulle. You are also going to need a brush and some glue. Coat the cuticle with glue. Apply the tulle. Paint black polish to the base of the nail. On each nail, use tweezers to remove the glue. Snakeskin on nails looks intense, but super beautiful. Will you give your nails these cute reptile scales? For this idea, take light blue gel polish. Cover the nails with one layer. Dry them with a UV lamp. The base is ready. Now take pink polish and a thin brush. Draw a spot in the middle of a nail. Put 3 dots on top. Look, a cat walked on your nails. Cover the drawing with a clear finish. And take a piece of microfiber. Carefully cut off the threads. Fasten the fuzz to the nail edge using tweezers. Dry them with the UV lamp. Aww! Soft cat paws! A Mew Mew manicure for the sharpest claws! And now take white nail polish. Paint your nails. Next, draw a pattern with a thin marker. You can think of anything you want. Hearts, flowers, whatever comes to mind. Any pattern you might want to color later. These nails are like a coloring book. It's a dream come true. Take markers and color them in however you want. Look, it's beautiful! Each nail has its own bright tattoo. For the next idea, take rhinestones and holographic nail powder. Apply the powder with a brush, like this, to each nail. Decorate the nails with rhinestones. Decorate the fingers with rhinestones too. Wow! It's so shiny! You'll definitely win a contest for sparkliest nails! Moving on with our nail tutorial, paint your nails black. Cover them thoroughly. Apply a matte finish on top. Glue on tiny pieces of chalk. Look, now you have 10 mini blackboards for drawing. School nails! Do you have a boring monochrome manicure again? Can we do something more exciting? Do you like yellow? Paint your nails. Every finger except the middle one. Glue a fake nail to it instead. Paint it with white gel polish. Dry it with a UV lamp. Use yellow polish to draw a head on the fake nail. Draw a tall blue hairstyle. You already know who it is. Add white eye dots. Draw black pupils. Eyelashes, a nose, and a mouth. Marge, is that you? Draw her beads with red polish. Add curls. Dry your manicure. Rhinestones in her hair? Great idea! Wow, a Simpsons manicure! You love them as much as we do, right? For the next idea, paint your nails beige and take eyeliner. Decorate the nails with a circle of dotted lines. It's easier than doing a cat eye, isn't it? And draw scissors on your ring finger. Protect the design with a layer of clear polish. Wow, what a cool manicure! It doesn't look too hardcore, but it's very fashionable. so it will be perfect for a party and for a regular day. Did you paint your nails white, but you are already tired of it? If that's the case, take black polish and a dot brush. Carefully place dots on your nails. Now, connect them to each other with a black marker. Decorate the nails with rhinestones. Cover them with a clear top layer. Do you love the colors of the sky? These nails will let you look at the stars at any time of the day. Constellations on nails are so romantic! For the next idea, let's take eggs. Almost! Get some white polish. Draw white spots on your nails. It should look like an egg white on a frying pan. Now, attach a yellow half bead to each nail. Cover it with clear polish. If you have a small fork, you can eat your eggs. How do you like this idea? Nobody else has nails like this. And the theme for our next idea is recycling in the name of beauty. A few scissor cuts and candy wrappers turn into exquisite nail decor. Cover the nails with clear polish. Attach the colorful triangles. It's easier to do it with tweezers. Wow! It looks like broken glass. Cover it with clear polish. Look how bright and elegant they are. They shimmer and shine, and will keep your autumn gloominess away. Let's try one more unusual technique. Take white polish and lip gloss. Cover the nails with a base white layer. Draw face and ears with pink lip gloss. Draw a gentle sky blue horn using a brush. Highlight the ears and draw brighter spots. And of course, the unicorn needs cute eyes. Draw the nostrils and outline the drawing. Draw a heart on the other nail. Outline it in black. Cover the index fingernail with blue polish. Dry the nails with a UV lamp. Cover them with a clear top layer and sprinkle them with glitter. Draw stripes while the polish is still wet. Dry the manicure off and repeat the design on the other hand. It's lovely! This nice nail art will add some cuteness to your look and bring you into the world of magic and unicorns. For the next idea, take white nail polish. Paint your nails. Apply several layers. Now take burgundy and yellow polish. Put burgundy dots at the base of the nail. Add yellow at the top. On the middle finger, draw a pattern of yellow and burgundy dots. Let your imagination flow. Create any pattern on your nails. Colored dot art on the nails looks great. Fall colors are super trendy right now. Now take a piece of plastic and colored gel polish. Put a white dot on the plastic and draw ears. Color the ears pink. Draw a pink nose, black eyes, and a mustache. Put the plastic in the UV lamp. Once the face dries, attach it to the nail. Draw a pocket for the kitty to look out of. Write the word kitty on the next nail. Decorate with a heart. Dry it with the lamp and cover with a clear finish. A perfect design for a playful kitty mood. Meow! Play with the kitten! Are your nails covered with clear polish? Add some brightness. Draw a yellow stripe on one finger. Now a pink one. Do the same with the middle and the ring fingers. Paint the pinky nail yellow. And the nails on your index finger and thumb pink. Attach thin strips of tape. Add black polish. When it dries, carefully remove the tape. Apply the finish. Wow! Look at these nails! They look like candy! For a bright and sweet mood, even on the saddest day. And who has the most fashionable nails in town now? Which idea did you like the best? Let us know in the comments. Click like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss any new nail life hacks on Troom Select.